Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Saik, and I wanna going to explain to fundamental of object storage service or OSS within the cloud computing ecosystem. We we will cover core con, con, concepts, data structure, bucket and object management, as well as optimizer feature like imaging process and build layer security. And with traditional storage server bench point, with traditional basic storage server prepared to grow in trigger significant challenge, and the prices for quality struggle with practice practicing new capacity accuracy and scoring data encryption and security implement cerebral data backup and controlling escalating hardware operational costs. Object storage service OSS. The address there's issue of OSS provider and encryption and secure cloud system service designed to store, process, and access massive amounts of data from anywhere in the world. OSS currently outperform traditional server by offering seamless scalability and enterprise-grade security, high availability, and cost effectivity pay-as-you-go pricing model. Object storage service OSS. To address their issue, OSS provide an encryption and security cloud storage service designed to store, process, and access massive amounts of data from anywhere in the world. As currently outperforms traditional service by offering similar stability, enterprise-grade security, high availability, and cost-effective pay-as-you-going pricing model. Advantage Expenses of object storage. There are five key pillars of OSS advantage. 1. Scalability, supporting up to 50 PB for bucket. 2. Simplicity, utility, RESTful API, and flexible object size of 248.8 GB. 3. Security, equipped with multiplayer protecting and anti-DDoS availability, ensuring 99.99% data reliability via 3 replica and distraction. 5. Insulin levers furthering rich integrated with another Alibaba cloud service like RAM, Max Compute, and EBS Snapshot. UOS concept. UOS is a built on top of Alibaba Cloud Apsara platform. Looking at this architecture diagram, we can see the OS integrated directly with the Pangu discarded file system, the file system of data storage alongside control system like Fuxi and Songkoi Songkwai to ensure optimized scheduling and security from physical data center of physical data center up to the open API layer. Concept of the region. The next essential concept is the region, which refers to the physical geography or area where US bucket in is location located security spanning 22 regions and 66 zones globally. Closing the right region is crucial of region latency miniming min, minima as data transfer cost and complying with specific national data location laws. OS concept object. An object is a fundamental empty empty storage within OS. Have you ever object consistent of three components and key: the object enum enum name, the data, user, content, which in op, op, opique to access, and the metadata key value pair defining object attribute, not the normal upload support file up to 5 gigabytes. Well, well multi-part upload can support object up to 48.8 terabyte. OS concept bucket. Bucket server as the primary container of storing object bucket names most a global inquiry across the entry OSS network and cannot be changed on create a bucket organize the namespace at the high levels management access control policy and serve as the central in for use and billing aggression. Object key. An object key is the unique identifier for a file incident, a bucket, the combination of the bucket names, and the key uniquely maps the object access URL. Object key support UTF-8 and encoding up to 100,024 bit and can include folder like path prefix access/gs for Azure Data Organizer. OSS concept data charter. Unlike local computer storage, the regals on physical hierarchical directory tree. OS utilize a completely flat and data all files are stored at the same level inside a bucket. The folder effect we see in the control interface are where visual reception and the drive from use the forward slash delimit within the object key name. Concept storage class. US provide multiple storage class to optimize operational cost standard of ideal of free quality access data like website image videos in frequent access AI is mean for a less active data that still requires real-time retrieval. Meanwhile, archive can hold archive over their slower storage rate to a long-term historical data subject to specific data restoration times. OS concept lifestyle. Using the lifestyle rules feature as the can automate data management based on time or naming patterns. There was automatic determine when an object should transition to a previous source class from instantly moving from standard to archive for a set number of days or when it should be permanent delete to save capacity. OSS concept redundancy of fault tolerance to prevent data loss from unexpired distractor was provide there three redundancy feature CRR for CRR cross region replication for automatic data backup to remote location zone redundant storage GRS using distribute data across these three zones with the same region for fault tolerance and versioning to restore file the were suddenly delete or overwriting. This concept back to origin. The back to origin feature ensures seamless data migration in mirroring mode. If a request file does not exist in US yet, the cloud automatically pull it from the source side where is to US OSS and delivery to the client in the redecision mode. OS return a redirect status code so the client broadcast the resource directly from the source URL. OS concept manage logs. OS feature as the comprehensive access log management tools that automatically record every incoming bucket request. Their logs are critical of their logs are crucial of real-time monitoring, auditing, security tracking malicious of unoptimized access trends, and analyze daily traffic pattern. OS feature image process. The one of standout feature of OS is the built-in image process capability. Use can resize OS feature image processing. The one that should stand out feature of OS is this built-in image processing capability. Use can resize crop, rotate, convert format or add watermark to it, making this straight into the cloud simple by pressing parameter to image URL. This process file on the OS side stand out, adding extra computational load to your primary application server. OS static website host and monitoring. OS can be reliably configured to host static website containing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and image file with low operational overhead and high performance. Additional, the built-in monitoring dashboard allow administration to easy to tracking storage volume, user activity, and traffic metric over time. Custom domain anti-liking. From a more personal content delivery experience, users can configure a custom domain to access iOS file using their own enterprise domain. Furthermore, the anti-liking feature relies on HTTP prefer matching to prevent an optimized three-party website from embedding your access, protecting your bandwidth, and keeping costs under control. To con security access control. To conclude, OS security is managed comprehensively through the 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 the, the a combination of ACLs and bucket flies for granular access control, activate data encryption, and intensive lagging at integration strictly with resource access management RAM to secure government government use role and advanced optimization token like MFA and Thermore ATS credential. That concludes my presentation on object storage service fundamental. In summary, OS provide a high scalable, secure, and crossing effective solution of modern cloud storage need. Thank you so much for your time and attention. And now I will be happy to open the floor for any question. Uh, Thank you so much and bye bye. See you.